In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a Coinbase account. Now, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only, and it is not financial advice. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to quickly create a Coinbase account, what you need to do is either go to coinbase.com and click sign up, or what you can also do is download the Coinbase app and go ahead and select create account. When you select create account, it's going to prompt you to sign in with an email address. You can go ahead and sign in with an email address, or of course go ahead and occasionally sign in with a phone, but either way you're going to need to link an email in the first place. So go ahead and put in an email in here first. It's then going to prompt you to put in your first name, last name, and of course, create a secure password. After that, go ahead and confirm your age, agree to the terms, and hit create account. And you're going to receive a verification email to whatever email you put in. Open up that inbox, select the verification link, and after your email is confirmed, go ahead and set up two-step verification. You could choose your country, enter in a phone number, and click send code for that. It's then going to prompt you to confirm your country of citizenship. Now, Coinbase may ask you to verify your identity by entering in some personal information. You can choose to complete this now, or you could skip it later if the option is available. It's better to just do it now, though. And then, of course, add your payment method. You could choose a bank or a financial institution. Sign into that securely and confirm that you want to link it. And once your payment method is connected, your Coinbase account is created. To start trading crypto, just finish the identity verification step by clicking verify your info, but that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.